The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch?
Dancehall. SSP Ops.
Last night, yeah.
Last night?
Go ahead.
Right. Note, we have found the man that we're looking for, so you can stand down on the record. He was on the bed hiding, but we found him.
Sandra.
Alright, come. Miss Blake.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, Dancehall there. Again, big up and respect to each and everyone, and I have some more videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. But, before I present those videos to you, I'm just going to explain a little bit about this video that I just presented to you. You see me? Now, to make things a little bit easier and faster, right? I'm going to show you a video right about now, you see? Now, have any of you ever seen this video before?
Big pussy police, Andrew's gonna suck your mama, you can't do nothing. We out here, we not going, see there? Life me, I make sure go. We out here, we not going. Andrew wanna just suck cock. You can't have a control again, you want a control, man. Go suck your mama. Bad man, yeah, see there, Andrew them, since bad man friends to there. We not going, blood clot.
Alright, so that video that I just showed you, the first video I show you is said to be the result of the video that I just show you right now. So the first video is the result of the second video that I just show you. Alright, so basically, a video is out on social media where a person is saying some things about Naga woman and so forth, and other things have been said, and then now the second video is basically of the police officers that had apprehended that person. You see me? And maybe more things that happen, who knows. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, I have some more videos that I'm going to show you, see? Now, some of these videos that I'm going to show you is said to be videos that shows of things that had happened during the first night of the all-island curfew within the country of Jamaica. Now, this all-island curfew, it's said to have started on the 1st of April 2020 at 8 p.m. And according to reports, it is said that this all-island curfew is going to last for 7 nights. Alright? And maybe it lasts longer, but it depends on what happens. That's what I'm saying to you. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, remember what I said now. Some of these videos is said to be videos that shows of some things that had happened during the first night of this all-island curfew. You see what I'm saying to you? Alright, now watch out, viewers and subscribers. Now the first video that I'm going to show you, see, according to what has been said about this video on social media, is that this video shows of a person who is said to be homeless, and that person had been detained or arrested by police officers. You understand? Yeah, and that person is said to be homeless. So I'm going to show you the video right about now, so take a look, listen and observe.
Serious, man, I don't have no way to live. If you can't be going to the hospital, let me tell you now. I don't have no way to live. All them know me now. The whole of them man, they know me live. The man is...
Compilation to the police. Put your hand behind you.
Yeah,
Put your hand behind you.
Yeah, but, me don't know where you come to the police, you don't tell me what you no, but me tell you what I'm going on with it. You don't do that. Me tell you what I'm going on with it and you're handcuffed. Me tell you what I'm going on with it and you're handcuffed. If you even serve me back, me don't have nothing in it. Sure, me don't like how you disrespect man, man. Me don't like how you disrespect, Yo, but, hey, hold on, man, me tell you. Hey, where you go? Sure. Oh, yeah, me not tell a lie, man. Put him on my food, them in my bag, man. Guys, you can't go in there, man, know, say them all know, them know me, Me not have no... Hold on, man, hold on.
Go into the vehicle. Go to the truck.
Go to the truck. Come. Oh, yeah, tell me to go to the truck and me tell you.
Alright, so there you have it, the video that is said to be of the homeless person that had been detained or arrested by police officers. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, now I have 2 more pieces of videos that I'm going to put together and present to you. You see me? And according to what has been said about these 2 pieces of videos on social media is that these 2 pieces of videos shows of the person that is said to be homeless and had been detained or arrested by police officers. But however, this person, basically have some things that he's saying about what had happened. You see what I'm saying to you? So take a listen to these 2 pieces of videos and take a look at these 2 pieces of videos and observe.
People, so my buck up here, the great Zagazo, the man of free him.
Yeah, you don't know. boy them not no manners, you know. Cause the boy them disrespect me now after them sister them victimize out of my own room, you know. Batty boy them, you know, victimize out of my own room.
Another one.
I'm not a baby. So you know, so I'm there down at town and now still. I'm a wholesale and I hold an order. Saying, and I try to make it overstand.
So, yeah.
Yeah, man.
Them have to free up the boss.
After, because them boy always say,
Yeah.
I deal with myself.
Yeah.
I disrespect them, I disrespect me overall, you know. Them batty boy police, you know, because them know, say, in a real life, them know me.
You're a killer.
And know, say, which one I live.
Yeah.
After me just allow me to have my room same way, right? My hold and feel straight. To go look somewhere else to go and hold a little meds and rest off where
But where tell him, I'm not
a baby. Hey, you see the police are this me? Eh? Remember me tell you,
Yeah.
judgment over your head here. Remember me told you that, judgment over your head.
Yeah, circle him down.
And me tell you, when me circle with the power of the Father, remember you have to go down. Because more than one to do that to me, you know. Like disrespect me for no reason at all.
And you're a killer.
And you know, sir, man.
Alright, so we're gonna move on to another video right about now, yeah, viewers and subscribers. So I have a video. Yeah, this video is out on social media, just like the other videos that I just showed you. And according to what has been said about this video, is that this video shows of police officers doing their duties or doing their jobs at the place that is known as the Coronation Market during the first night of the all-island curfew in the country of Jamaica. Now, there might be more information about what had happened during that whole incident where, you know, it is said that police officers were at the Coronation Market doing their job or their duties. Is what I'm saying to you. But me just present this video to you just to keep you up to date and post it and make you see what's going on. You understand me? So, take a look at this video and observe.
I'll video man there. That's right. Yeah, my name
Well, alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it, you know, the video that is out on social media where it says that it shows police officers doing their duties or their jobs at the Coronation Market. You see me? You can let me know what you think about that video. You understand me? Yeah, and I'm gonna move on to the next video right about now. You see me? Now, viewers and subscribers, you know, I have a video as of a show, you see me? And this video, you know, it out on social media, but the whole information about this video is kind of sketchy to me, you see me? And you know, I'm gonna present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, but I present this video and basically asking questions because really and truly, you know, the information about it, like I said, it's sketchy, you see me? Now, this video is going to show up persons that were on the street, and these persons seems as if they were running from persons or a person or something. Is what I'm saying to you? Could it be that these persons were actually running because they saw police officers, or you can say law enforcers, were approaching or was nearby? Or is it that these persons were taking the whole stay in and the whole island-wide curfew thing for a joke? Now remember, now question them I ask, you see me? And even though I ask these questions, I'm going to show you the video so that you can have a look at it and you can tell me what you think. Alright? So take a look at this video and observe.
Them a come to two.
my viewers and subscribers, there you have it. You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. Me only there so to keep you up to date and post it and make you know what I want. And you can let me know what you think about these videos that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers. Yes, they are out on social media. You know, comments have been made about these videos, some good, some bad, you know, and so on. You see me? So you can let me know what you think about these videos. And this is where me leave it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave your comments. Let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.